Hi boys and girls, this is Mrs. Garl and I am here for your second OG lesson for this week. You all are doing a great job. I hope when you're doing your writing, you're thinking about all these OG skills that you're learning and remembering all of the rules. So here we go. A vowel is A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. A consonant is all other letters. E, A, I, and Ah. All right, now we're going to do both of the vowel sounds. O. I. E. A. U. Very good job. All right, here are the H brothers. Wha. Sh. Ch. Good job. And now your consonant sounds. S. D. O. K. J. No English word ends in J. V. No English word ends in V, always followed by a silent E. K. S. T. Ks. Qua. Q is always followed by U. Z. B. R. W. G. Ch. All right, now I'm going to give you a letter. I want you to tell me if it's a vowel or a consonant, and you can just say it right out. Here we go. N. I. Y. Sometimes a vowel. B. A. U. R. D. All right, very good job. I hope you didn't get tricked on that one. Ow. Add a D. Duh. Dow. All. Add a st. Stall. Ang, ing, ong, ung. Add a s. Sang, sing, song, sung. Ank, ink, onk, unk. Add a Mank, mink, monk, monk. Very good job. All right, get out your B checker. Everybody hold it up. It's on your left hand. And here we go. B, not a B. B, Not a bee. Not a bee. Bee. Not a bee. Bee. Not a bee. 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 Not a bee. All right, y'all are getting much better about that. Remember, when you're doing your writing, check your bees every time. You always have your bee checker with you on your left hand. And I was telling my class, if you hold up your left hand and you're not quite sure, is this my left hand? If you look at it, here's my left hand. Do you notice that when you do this, left makes an L right there on your hand? So you'll always know that's your left hand. Okay, here we go. A syllable is a word or part of a word with only one vowel sound. At the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel, z is spelled ZZ. At the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel, ul is spelled LL. At the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel, f is spelled FF. At the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel, s is spelled SS. At the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel, k is spelled CK. At the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel, ch is spelled TCH. And at the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel, j is spelled DGE. Very good. A suffix is a letter or letters added to the end of a word that changes the meaning. A suffix is a letter or letters added to the end of the word to change the meaning. All right, here are some of the suffixes we've been working on. Remember est and Est is when you're comparing more than two things. It's the biggest. It's the smallest of all of the things. You use at the end of a word when it's comparing two things. Which one is bigger? Which one is smaller of these two things? All right, est and S. Us. This one has three sounds. I wrote them out because last time I made a mistake. ED. It can say just the D sound, like in watered. You hear that? Watered. It can make the UD sound, like in the word melted. Melted. Hear that? The UD sound? Okay? Melted. Or it can make a T sound. Itched. Itched. Okay? It itched. Now, here's a hint. Never on the end of a word for a suffix will you have a T. So if you hear a T sound, it's always an ED. Itched. Right? Okay, so that's our ED. So it says d, ud, t. D, ud, t. Very good. Now, here's a couple new ones this week. Ing changes the meaning of a word because it makes it mean it's happening right now. Jumping means you're doing it right now. Jumping. Okay? Lee means that that's how you do something. If you move in a quick way, you do it quickly, right? So ly is another suffix that we're adding this week. Okay? And we are ready to pull over our words, but I do want to tell you really quickly, I hope that you are all still using COPS every single day when you do your writing. So when you're finished getting your ideas down, make sure you check it for COPS. C, capitalization. O, order of your words. P, did I use a punctuation mark? And S, did I check my spelling? And I think your teachers are going to notice a big difference in your writing if you use COPS after you've written your ideas down on your paper. Okay? All right, here we go. All of these words have a base word like this, patch, and a suffix, us, patches. Okay? Every one of these has a root word or a base word, and then it adds a suffix on the end. Here we go. Patches, ditches, drops, lunches, trusted, melted, boxer, fastest, pinkest, and softest. Okay, I am looking for a word that means that you probably do fighting for a living. It's a job where you do fighting. It also can be the name of a certain breed of dog. If you said boxer, you are correct. Okay, I'm looking for a word that means that something changed from a solid to a liquid. It changed from a solid to a liquid. If you said melted, you are correct. It changed from ice to water when it melted. Okay? I'm looking for a word that means that you would tell this person all of your secrets because they've been very loyal to you. What is the word we're thinking of? They are a very trusted friend. They are very trusted. Okay? And I'm looking for a word that means that if I compared all of the pigs in the pig pen, this one is the brightest color. It's the pinkest pig. Okay? And I'm looking for something that is a synonym for quickest. You are the quickest. Give me a synonym. You are the fastest. Very good job. Okay, so now we are going to read these medium fast. Patches, ditches, drops, lunches, trusted, melted, boxer, fastest, pinkest, softest. Okay? I am going to give you a quick quiz for just a second. What is the root word or the base word in the word lunches? If you said lunch, you are correct. Lunch is the base word. Okay? What is the suffix in the word fastest? If you said est, you are correct. This is the root word or the base word, fast, and we added the suffix est. Okay. All right, let's read these a little bit faster. Here we go. Patches, ditches, drops, lunches, trusted, melted, boxer, fastest, pinkest, and softest. All right. Are you ready for Beat the Teacher? On your mark. Get set. Go. Did you do it? Did you beat the teacher? If you did, congratulations. If you didn't, just keep practicing your reading, thinking about your OG rules, and you will beat the teacher next time. So have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.